Ex-MP Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Education Dr. R.K. Ranjan has emphasized the needs for following the path of Maharaja Narasingh'S to uphold ethnic relations between various communities for building unity in the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of 233rd birth anniversary of Maharaja Narasingh's, jointly organized by Maharaja Narasingh's Memorial Committee and Sri Gopinath Ji Temple Board, Purana Rajbari Nongmaybung at Sagolban Mabudho Mantri Laikai today. Speaking further, R.K. Ranjan pointed out that Maharaj Narsingh introduced Mera Ahal Chongba to sustain cultural unity besides bringing administrative reforms for reuniting the fragmented Manipuris. He added that it is high time for the leaders in administration to make earnest efforts in resolving Manipur crisis by recalling the history of 7 years devastation and the role taken by Maharaj Narsingh in reclaiming Manipur from the hands of Awas, striving towards resolving the Manipur crisis. The former Union Minister of State also stated that the selfless dedication and qualities of Maharaj Narsingh and his leadership qualities have made him fondly remembered by every Manipuri till date. Rajya Sabha MP Laishan Basana Jalba, Sagolban Kendra MLA R.K. Imo and Sri Gopinath Ji Temple Board President Rajkumar Dhiran Singh also attended the function as presidium members. The dignitaries unveiled a bronze statue of Maharaj Narsingh during the function.
Manipur Himanga Mise, Narsingh Maharaj, Kudo never said Quina, Masi, Kaminava, Amasu, Masibu, Ikai Kunava, Chungani, Ikai Kunava, Latam Sigim, Pajati, Sigim, Mr. Omogi, I could give Madugi, Karikturni, and a Lovina Sea and I said, Tohan, but Turupsing Sigi, quite a problem to a land toilet over. But the Kramina man and navigate or the Manipur unity says Shamun for them. Masidane, Mayamadi, Huzikandati, Akia Mova, Toroga, Tamadi, Naga, Lorga, Nera Hojo, as a peasant, the Wudo, Adunate, Narasimha, Oblomivri, Nera Hojo, by Secretary Heta. According to one ethnic communities, culture, ideologies, identities, Mayamasa, full love, the cultural festival of unity, Semana, Sagalam Manavo.